Cooking with Gigi. Hi guys, today we're making banana bread. Do you guys love banana bread? Well, I do. I eat it in the morning sometimes. Here's the ingredients. Bananas. I said it has to be black to make banana bread, and what's it something? Here's cinnamon, and here's vanilla. Oops, cinnamon and vanilla. I forgot to show you. And here's this big bag of sugar. Oh, flour milk, guys. Ready? Feed a little more to the bottom. No worries. Milk. So heavy like this. And then salt. Let's see. Baking powder. Oh, baking soda then. And baking powder this time. So now it wimples. Walnuts. Level and then sugar. This is sugar. Brown sugar, which is a little moosey. I really like. 2 eggs we need. Later we're gonna put and I think that's all of the ingredients. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, we already put half a cup of butter in a bowl and it's soft so we can stir it. And half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. So let's put white sugar now. More and more. Everything. But sometimes that's perfect. And dump. This is brown sugar. And it's half a cup. Same one because everything is half a cup. Most it? No. Okay. Next we're gonna stir it for four with butter, which is soft, sugar, and brown sugar. So I get a fork. Mush that. Big chunk and mush. Okay. I'm done. And I'm done creaming. That means this is what it called creaming. What I just did between the brown sugar and the white sugar. Guys, I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, but one at a time. One crack, one stir, and then one stir. So let's do that. Again. Not like this, like this. If we hold it like this, then it will move. So let's not do that. We don't want that to happen, right? Nope. Okay, let's cut it. About it like Mama said a few last time. Let's stir. Let's the white sugar, the brown sugar, and the butter, and that eggs. So let's put on the side, and here comes my favorite part, mashing the bananas. But I will tell you that you get at that part. It's on the side. We really have to use really white bananas. I guess that means soft bananas. Yes, that's right. So let's mash it. And we already put the bananas in because my mom just did it. But that's okay. We can mash it now. Mash. Mash. To make little lines, which is my favorite part. Mash. 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 Okay, I'm done mashing the banana. Now I'm gonna pour 1 tablespoon of milk. So let's pour it. Done. Now I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. My mom helped me with the cinnamon too, look. And now we're gonna put it in. And after, we're gonna mess it all up together. Let's put it. I just have to go gently. I didn't know that was gonna happen. I have a wooden spoon because when I first did it, it splattered everywhere. A little where I'm stepping, but it's okay. I'm gonna clean my feet anyway later. That's what we always do. Oh, it's easy, everyone, because it's liquid. Oh, I'm done stirring the milk and the cinnamon. Now I'm gonna put salt, and my mom already did it. You see? Let's put it into the milk and the bananas and the cinnamon. Okay, put it and stir it again. Okay, let's put 1 baking powder. And so let's oops, that's okay. And let's put it on. This is my secret. You see, I'm using this to put it out. There. Look. Again. So let's put the cap on back on, and then we're gonna do baking soda. It sounds similar. That means it sounds the same. I'll show you what 1 teaspoon is like. Okay, so let's do baking soda now. Okay, now let's put it in and mix now. So fun. We just finished stirring the baking soda and baking powder in the banana. So now I'm gonna put the vanilla. Half a teaspoon. Let's put it in now. Next we're gonna put the butter mixture into the banana mixture. And we're gonna use a spatula to get out. Look at just kidding. I'm not gonna give you lickings. Okay, guys. My mom put the butter mixture into the banana mixture because it was too heavy for me. So now I'm gonna mix again. Mix, mix, mix. Next step is to add the flour. And my mom did it for me. And you know what's a cool trick? You scoop it up, and if it's too much, we can use the butter, like rub it on the back end. It's all gone. Let's put it in. Oh. I didn't know it was gonna look like that. I thought it looked like an egg or something. That's all? Yep, that's it's done now. We just stirred 1 cup of flour. Now we're gonna do another 1 cup of flour. My mom put in the flour, and I'm gonna rub it. Oh, now it looks like an egg. Look, everyone. I made it what I wanted it to be last time. Look. It looks like an egg. A big egg, of course. And let's start again. We're done stirring in the flour. Now I'm gonna butter the pan. What happens if we put it in the oven without buttering? It will be hard to get out when you keep stirring. And my mom already put the butter in there, so I can butter the pan. And I'll show you how it's like. You have to slime it all around in the corners and everywhere. So let's do that. Let's do what here. Here. Oh, I'm done going the pan. This is how it looks, so welly. Goobally. So now my mom is gonna put this in while I'm gonna wash my hands because it's so slimy because of the butter. So she'll go in a little bit. Okay guys, I'm done putting the mixture into the pan and this is how it looks. Now let's sprinkle walnuts. And it's 1 cup. Yep, it's 1 cup. And we're gonna sprinkle it on top. And my mom stopped it for me. And it's a finishing touch. So let's sprinkle it. Sprinkle walnuts. Walnuts, not macadamia nuts. But it's so fun. We're done adding the walnut, and then we give it a little pat. Okay, we're gonna bake at 425, 1 hour. After 8 hours, guess what? We're gonna put a toothpick in there. If it's clean, then that means it's ready. If it's not clean, with crumbs, put it back in the oven. Got it? Okay guys, see you next time on the next video, and my mom's gonna put it in the oven and what else. Oh, I hope you enjoy it too. See you next time on Cooking with Gigi. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!